Watch out, birdie. It's like I can't find a place to...
It was 7 Swiss francs to park our baggage for the day while we head up to Vaduz, Liechtenstein. So we just have the day pack and our rain jackets because it's a little drizzly, and some water and some snacks. So let's go do this. Get another country in. I'm Tracy and I'm a nurse.
And I'm Chris and I'm a nomad. And we love nothing more than getting out and exploring. Doesn't matter, we'll go by plane, train, or our van.
However, with full-time jobs, we gotta find ways to maximize our time, and that's where we bring you in to show you the tips and tricks and all the fun you can have along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Finally picked up the SIM card.
Decided it was time.
Decided it was time when it was too hard to get onto the internet at the train stations here because it needed a phone number and we don't have them.
We don't have one.
But it wasn't too bad. It was 20 Swiss francs, or about 20 bucks for an unlimited SD card for 7 days. So Chris just got it and I can pop onto his hotspot. The one important thing with the US, make sure your phone is unlocked, because if your phone is not unlocked, then you are not able to use a SIM card overseas. So when I bought my new iPhone a couple months ago, I bought it unlocked and then linked it to my AT&T because AT&T does not want to give you an unlocked phone for some reason. Another train, another market breakfast. What is that one? We weren't sure.
That's good though.
Michael, me?
It's like a croquette.
Mm.
Like ham and cheese. That's good. Like a croquette pastry. Oh, damn, it's kind of good.
I'm excited about this curry chicken roll. Love curry. So we decided to take a day trip down to Vaduz, Liechtenstein from Zurich. It was a quick little trip, less than about an hour, 45 minutes. We took the train to Sargans. Then we hopped into a different train that took us to Buchs, Switzerland. Then it was just a quick bus over to Schön, Liechtenstein, and one more bus to get into the city center of Vaduz. Yes, because there's a Prince of Liechtenstein winery. Of course I do that. Although from what I read, you have to have at least 10 people to do a private tasting. Although I can probably drink enough wine for 10 people. The Principality?
Yeah.
Look at the happy Swiss cows. Alright, we are on the bus. And we are heading over into Liechtenstein now. Found a really cool brewery we're gonna check out, because who doesn't like breweries in new countries? And you pay on the bus, and they take tap cards, and it's super easy. Ooh, and I just saw kebabs.
Especially in some spots.
across the Rhine, and we are in Liechtenstein. Yay! Country 67. 78. Because he miscounted and didn't have all his countries counted.
Yeah, I think I just tuned out there for a minute.
Shenanigans.
I went back and checked.
The app that we use to track where we've traveled in the world and in the United States separately is the BEN app. B-E-E-N. Put it. So, true story, funny story. The 12 bus turned into the 14 bus once we got to the station in Sean in Liechtenstein.
And the driver was at least nice enough to recognize us and realize that we could have just told him we were going to the third stop on this line, which would have cost us the same, so he didn't double charge us.
Yeah, thank you. He looked at us like, your bus number changed. That doesn't usually happen, so thank you.
Usually we get it pretty figured out, but...
Got a little rain.
Rain.
Got my little cape to go over the backpack.
This is
quite gorgeous, even though it's drizzly and moody and cloudy. But I gotta say, I love these packable rain jackets. They don't take up too much space.
Nope.
They're lightweight. And they come in they've helped us out many times, I should say.
Oh, yes.
So somehow, because I probably can't read German, the brew house is closed, the shop is open. So we bought a beer, we're gonna kind of wait out the rain and then figure out where to go from there. Cool little place though. Good beer.
Yeah, we have a really quick check out.
Probably Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It is definitely a little bit more rural out here, but the Liechtensteiner Brauhaus, everyone was really nice. I guess they're
seasonal.
They're seasonal for the tasting room.
Yeah. Their shop's open year-round, so you can get a beer and you can drink a beer, but...
In their shop, they don't care. They'll sit there and chat with you. They were very lovely individuals.
Super friendly.
The first beer that we got, they said was like a gold winner. Like, the beer was delicious, and that big beer was 190 franc, which is probably about $2 US. But they said they open mid-August, and they're open through like Oktoberfest. Yeah. So I have a feeling we might need to come back.
Get some Edelweiss going on.
Yeah, everyone's been so nice here. I really like it. I'm feeling the vibe.
But a separate note, if you want to feel better about our gas prices, right across the street's a gas station. That's $2.45 a gallon of gas, or excuse me, a liter of gas. About 4 liters in a gallon. So right now here they're about $10, give or take, a gallon of gas.
And I thought the $6.50 we were paying in LA was bad. Here comes our bus. An autobus.
Autobus.
Despite the rainy weather, we continued to explore. We went to the little downtown Vaduz area, where we went to the Liechtenstein Center so you can get a souvenir passport stamp. And then we decided to continue on and check out some of the downtown area and the cathedral. That's amazing looking. And then they just like break it into like the little pieces.
And then put it in there whenever you're taking with you. Oh, he like cuts them perfect. Look at those cuts.
Yeah, he does. That's amazing. Oh, that looks so good.
summed up. Do we? Because I can get a room for $199, but it doesn't include AC. But it does include breakfast. And it says, very good breakfast included in this rate.
Oh my god, that pizza's amazing. Sitting here and getting pizza, figuring out our plans for tonight. And then we're going to Interlaken. So Chrissy's looking at hotels.
Yeah.
It finally stopped raining. We dry. That pizza was really good.
It was good.
Brasserie Berg. Delicious. Like they have this like little cool
Yeah, it looks like a concert
outdoor
thing.
summer area. So cool. Alright, so that was our day trip to Liechtenstein.
Super, super cool.
I wish the weather was a little bit more cooperative, but that just means we're gonna have to come back. Hopefully in the fall maybe, because that brew house is, the tasting room's open in the fall. So maybe for Oktoberfest?
Once we wrap this up, I'm just going to pan you guys out to these hillsides here. Don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right about here is like an entire village all built up on the hill and it's right underneath the fog. Really cool. They're all taken.
They're all taken.
I paid it.
Pay to open it?
$3 more.
What? Rude.
What the hell? I need a QR code. I want you to open it. What the hell?
Maybe.
Maybe I accidentally extended it. Oh, there we go.
Nope, nope, there we go.
Ba-boom there.
Stay tuned as we travel over to Interlaken, Switzerland. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's absolutely beautiful. The best way to do that is to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.